Workflow for plan versus actual progress using BEXEL Manager and Trimble Connect cooperation. This video shows an on-site progress update using BEXEL Manager, Trimble Connect, and Power BI. Let's start from Plan Schedule in Schedule Animation tab and select Weekly Plan Progress. Check and save planned activities. Export elements with planned activities using BCF Manager. Fill the relevant data describing planned activities for control period. After saving, upload BCF file from BEXEL Manager into Trimble Connect online platform. Uploaded file will appear in Trimble to-do list. In Trimble Model View, On-Site Manager is now able to see previously selected elements in BEXEL Manager, scheduled for completion in control period. Next step is Progress Update based on delivered information and progress monitoring. On-Site Manager will now create a new to-do task with actual progress input. Then export it back to BCF file. BCF file with updated information is being imported back into BEXEL Manager. Check and save actual activities. Update schedule with actual on-site progress. Set calendar. Select elements for progress tracking input. Update last entered date in Schedule Progress Editor. Now we can compare planned and actual progress in Schedule Editor. Analyze labor, cost, cash flow, and various project parameters. Finally, export updated project into Power BI for advanced reporting and sharing information between different stakeholders.